Good morning, everyone. I'm Suhas Vinayak, and my team members are Somesh and Karna. And our blockchain project title is Product Supply Chain, DAPP, Decentralized Application. Next slide. So before continuing, I would like to thank the key person because of whom we are doing this project, our blockchain faculty, Professor Anurathan sir, founder and CEO of Digitron Solutions. Thank you, sir, for motivating us to do this project. Next slide. So I'll be giving the introduction and a brief about our project. So first, product supply chain. So product supply chain is nothing but a network between a company and its suppliers to produce and distribute specific products to the final buyer. So here in this, there are many major roles such as manufacturer, distributor, consumer. So here in our project, we have implemented only consumer and manufacturer. So in this supply chain, it involves a series of steps involved to get a product to the customer. So this includes finishing the raw materials and distributing it to the consumer. The elements of our supply chain includes functions that receives an order to meet the customer's request. So here, the product development is the main purpose. So in our project, the consumer can check all the products that are added by the manufacturer. So the manufacturer can add products and information like date and the type of specific product. So he can add, and the consumer can check all the products and the details of the project by using the product code. So product ID. So next slide. Here in problem statement, there are like, for example, the main first one is a hole in supply chain. Like it affects the whole chain supply network. It causes the supply chain activities due to the lack of understanding or knowledge. So in the current economic turmoil, the country, it is really essential to make products as per the demand, because there are large number of raw materials included. So the time and money is very important. So it should be efficient, and it should be responsive. And as due to our current economic condition, the effect of flow of supply chain in the country, it involves a global chain. So the drop in currency value will discourage the end users, and the power has dropped tremendously. In addition, it will also lose the suppliers, and the reliability will also lower due to the drop of value in the country currency. So basically, when supply chain is effective, it can lower companies' overall costs and boost profitability. So like if one link breaks down, it can affect the rest of the chain, and it can be costly. So yeah, next slide. Software requirement. From here, my teammate Karna will continue.
Thank you, Suhas. Good morning, sir. Myself, Karna Mallikarjun Reddy. I'm explaining about software requirements. So Ganachi, Remix, and XAMPP, MetaMask, MySQL, these are the software requirements we use in our project. So Ganachi is one of the software. It is personalized blockchain for Ethereum development, and Remix is a compiler used to write the code and debug the Solidity code. And XAMPP is an abbreviation for cross-platform like Apache, MySQL, PHP, and Perl. And it allows you to build the offline sites and on a local web server on your computer. And MetaTask is a software cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain And MySQL is the database. It is used for wide range of purpose, and it includes the data warehousing and e-commerce. Next slide. This is the home page of our website, sir. The user can log in or sign up. Next slide. In this, Somesh act as a consumer. So when he log in successfully, next slide, the web page will be open here. So the consumer will check the products, and here one is the product ID. So when he enters the ID, below database will be showed the product details. Product name is Atta and registered by Karna, that is manufacturer, and manufacturer date you can see here. Next slide. From now on, my teammate Somesh will continue.
Thank you, Karna. Good morning, sir. Myself, Somesh J. So I'll be continuing from here. So we can see over here that after the so here in the first page, myself, I'm acting as a consumer. So the other one is manufacturer. So the manufacturer is Karna over here, like example. So the manufacturer will add the product which is Acer laptop, and after he registers the item, the website will generate a QR code and a product ID like this in the upper photo. And even he can check the product ID's location and shipment details. So I'll be demonstrating it lively now. So I'm using also the MetaMask. This is a wallet, digital wallet. So these are the amount remaining. So now I can see I'm running the Danachi over here. So and the exam, this is the server. Locally, I'm running the server in my PC. And now I will run this one. So like my teammate told, so the Karna is a consumer. Sorry, a manufacturer. So the first, let us see the consumer. Consumer is myself, Sumesh. So I will log in. So we can see over here, the consumer can only check the products. So we can see in the photos over there, you can give a product ID. So we can see here the product ID number 2 is Fanta, which is a cold drink, and the manufacturer is Karna, and the date of manufacturing. So like he can check the multiple products. The consumer can only check the products. So here you can see the location also. Like if he updates the location, the location will also change. So I will show you that. So these are the products like the consumer can check and go through if he requires. So we can log out from here. So now I will log in from a manufacturer side. So this is a manufacturer side. You can see multiple tools are available for manufacturer. So suppose we will say let him add a new product. So the product name will be can be as suppose we can say as some item would be like glass. So when the manufacturer gives the product name, we can register the item. So we can see it is automatically generating a QR code. With that, we have product ID also, which is number 8. So the product number 8 is glass. So he can add n number of items. So now let us check the product. Even he can check the product. Even the manufacturer can check the product. So the product ID 8 was glass. So like you can check the multiple products also. So 7 is water. So and even you can change the coordinates for the products. So suppose let us use 7, and let us change the locations. Like before it was 45. So let me change to 18. So again you update. So it's done. So we can also check that over here. So we can see coordinates have successfully updated. So like this, we can. This is very useful for the manufacturer and the consumer to check the products and can go through all the products available in the manufacturer's side. So this is the project. So the project name was like my teammate said. So product supply chain DAPP. So thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity.